Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at one of the best paraphrasing softwares that are currently available online, and this is Wordtune. Now, Wordtune actually has launched its Word plugin, the Microsoft Office Word plugin recently. Now, what they claim is that they can actually read your mind in the sense that the way you express your thoughts, they can actually, by using artificial intelligence, they can actually read your mind and they can help you in writing. And another claim that they make is that it is a writing power. It is a writing partner that gives you superpowers. So. What I can say is that by comparing Wordtune as compared to all other paraphrasing tools is that Wordtune actually gives you more options to choose from in terms of paraphrasing than any other software in the market. So let's talk about the history of Wordtune. Wordtune was actually built by the A121 Labs, and one of the key features of Wordtune is that it has incorporated artificial intelligence, and by using artificial intelligence as a writing companion, they go far beyond the grammar and spelling fixes, and they actually uh, give your thoughts a little bit of expression, and they help you in writing by giving you a lot of options to choose from. So now, before we talk about how to install Wordtune and how to use Wordtune, a little bit about the company and what they're dealing with. So Wordtune is actually launched by the company so that you can reimagine the way we interact with text, and it is using artificial intelligence. But this is not the only paraphrasing tool that is using artificial intelligence. Grammarly is another software, but it's not a paraphrasing tool, but still it uses artificial intelligence. So it is launched by the NLP Research Labs, and its first product is Wordtune, and it's a writing companion to reduce the gap between our thoughts and what we end up writing. So according to them, it is a new writing paradigm where humans and machines they work together to shape ideas into words. Okay, so without further ado, I'll just tell you how to install Wordtune and use it too. So all you have to do is to go to Google and just write Wordtune. You can either write it together or with a space. I've written here with a space. So once you click on Google and click on the search, then it will show up as www.wordtune.com. Now, if you just click on wordtune.com, it will ask you to log in. So there are three options to log in. The first option is you can use a Google account. Any of the Google accounts, you can use them to sign into Wordtune. The other option is you can continue with the Facebook, and if you have any other email besides Gmail or the Google email, then you can just sign up. Here below it's written to if you don't have an account, you just click on it, and if you click on it, you just need to sign it up. But if you have a Facebook account and if you have a Google ID, then you can just choose from it and it will log you in. So once you log into this, this is the interface that you will see here. So it's a very simple interface here. Now the free version usually lets you use the extension which is in the Google Chrome or the the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So that is, but it has limited features in it, but you can still use it for rewriting and rephrasing. So this is the interface. I will just zoom into it so that we can. So this is the interface that you will see. There are actually 5 icons here that you can see. Now I will just show you these icons. The first is rewrite. By click on all you have to do is to copy and paste the text that you want to paraphrase or rewrite, and then you have to click on rewrite. So once you click on rewrite, so what happens is that it will start to paraphrase and will give you certain options in a drop-down menu. Now the other option is make it casual. For instance, if it's formally written and you want it to be informally written, For instance, if you want to send to your friend or someone you know casually, then it will make it casual. And if something is written casually and if you want to make it formal, then you have to use this option. But usually what happens is that you won't be using all of these options and you will be focusing only on the rewrite. Why? Because actually it detects the tone, the formal tone or the casual tone in your text, and it will automatically try to paraphrase it using the same tone. So, so next we'll actually move on. So as far as the Wordtune, the Microsoft Word plugin for Wordtune is concerned, so the same website, the www.wordtune.com. So if you just click on it and if you just scroll down in the middle, you can actually see that it's written Wordtune for Microsoft Word. All you have to do is to just click on that, get the add-in, and it will download it. But you need to close all your MS Offices, and then once the Word plugin as well as a Word document will be downloaded, you just need to open that Word document and it will install the Word plugin. Here's this Wordtune that you can see here. So this is the Wordtune as it looks like in MS Office. So, and this is the interface. Once you click on the Wordtune here, it will show up as this icon here, and it will tell you that it's welcome to Wordtune, the writing partner that gives you superpowers. So this is what they claim. So you just click on the Let's Start option here, and once you click on the Let's Start, it will log you in, or it will take you to the. You need to log in from your Google Chrome or your any other interface that you're using for any browser that you're using. So once you log in from the browser, then this will automatically log in from the Word plugin. So this is how the interface looks like. The interface in the Word plugin is almost the same as the interface in any browser that you're using. So it has the rewrite, the casual, the formal, the shorten, the expand. And through my experience, you just need to use the rewrite option. So I have a text here. Now what I've done is I've just highlighted the text by using my mouse, and once I've highlighted it, what happens is that the same text will appear on the Wordtune plugin. So once I've selected text, all I need to do is to click on the button here that is showing rewrite, and once I click on it, this is how it looks like. It will show you a drop-down menu where it will show you around 5 to 6 options of paraphrasing. You can choose from either of these. And another way is to same thing. You just need to highlight the copy and paste. So the same thing applies to using the same text if you want to use in the browser. So in the browser, it's the same way. All you need to do is to copy and paste the text there, and then the click down menu. I just want to tell you that although the Word plugin and the browser, they're the same, but the options sometimes that they give in the browser are much more comprehensive as compared to the Word plugin. So, and once you've done that, here's a copy button here. So you just need to click on it. So once you click on the copy button, it will show you, you can just copy that text and then you can paste it in the Word plugin. But for the Word plugin, once you have selected the text, it will automatically change the text in your Word. So you don't need to select on the copy, but here in the browser, you need to copy it and then you need to paste it in the Word. So that's all for now. Hope this video has been useful. If you have any questions or queries, you can write in the comment section. Thank you.